Yeah, man, we out here, the calm before the storm. You know what I mean? North Miami. Me with my little niece and stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah, right. This is what it's looking like, man. Feel me? Got my Superman, Batman joint on. You know what I mean? You know, it's kind of quiet, but ain't cleared out yet. Hurricane Irma. Got people losing their mind out here. Going crazy, buying up everything. You know what I mean? Panicking. It's Friday. Probably ain't even gonna start feeling the effects until Saturday night, Sunday, but everybody gone. They got their signs up. Most people gone. Some people still open. You know what I mean? Wendy's still open. North Miami. Wanna get some grub. Feel me? Kinda crazy. Miami boy, I ain't going nowhere. We gonna ride this thing out, you feel me? Street Eagle. Shout out to all my peoples, man, that's out here. I hope everybody stay safe. The ones that stand. The ones that left, you know, hopefully you still have your property and stuff when you get back. God's will. No, beautiful palm trees. Still a little traffic, but it ain't as much. Tomorrow, I know it's gonna be looking like Ghost Town. Still doing the thing, you know, I'm ready. Man, joined up the fatigues on, ready for war. We out here, man. You need something, just let me know. I already know your boy. Just let me know. Oh man. Calm before the storm, though. Oh yeah, and if you ain't do it yet, you better go to the ATM, get your cash out, keep the cash on deck. Keep the cash on deck. You better keep the cash on deck. You know. I don't know how long we're gonna be out of power.